Hey, Joe here. You ever wonder what a ball joint is? For those of you who don't know what a ball joint is and what can happen if one fails, I'm going to show you next. Hold on. All right, so customer calls up with a concern. His vehicle is wandering down the highway and he's hearing this awful clunking noise, and it's been doing it for some time. And if you hear a weird noise in your car, don't ignore it, and especially if it's a ball joint. And for those of you who don't know what a ball joint is, I'm making this quick video, and if your mechanic tells you you need to replace your ball joints, you should probably listen to him. Now, this ball joint right here, I'm going to show you, was very close to failing. See, it's a ball right here and it goes into the socket. I was getting ready to pop out. So what happens when that pops out, your whole wheel will cock out like this. You'll lose control of the vehicle. Now, the only thing different is when it's put together is that the axle is held in here with this nut. And so what happens is when the wheel cocks out like that, not only does it make you lose control of your vehicle, but also it will ruin your axle. And hopefully you pay attention to the noises in your car. Ball joints aren't anything to mess with. Also, you know, like a tie rod end right here connects to your steering rack, that's considered a ball joint as well. So any ball joints that are loose should be replaced as soon as possible. And if you're fortunate enough to live in a state where there is a safety inspection, you kind of got to be grateful for that in a way. Anyway, until next time, like and subscribe. I really appreciate what all the input I've gotten from everybody, and I'll keep doing these videos as long as you want me to. Have a great night.